TV from other dimensions has a somewhat looser feel to it. Yeah, it's got an almost improvisational tone.
But before we start the video, what do we want them to do, Rehan?
Click subscribe.
That's it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. Also, what else do we want them to do?
Give a thumbs up.
Yeah, you definitely have to give us a thumbs up. So we are going right back into the video, guys.
Yeah.
So, Rehan,
Huh?
what do we need for the slime?
Shampoo.
Yeah. And what else?
And the bowl.
Yes, we've got several bowls here.
And what's this?
They're highlighters. Do you know why we got highlighters?
Yeah.
Why?
It's cause
We're going to make different colors of slime.
we're gonna choose pink, yellow, green, blue, purple, and orange.
That's it. So we're going to make them colors of slime. So what else do we need? What's that last thing?
What is it?
That is bicarbonate of soda.
Carbonate soda.
That is what is going to react with the shampoo to make the slime.
Yeah.
So it's going to be very interesting. So do you know why we got the big bowl for?
A small bowl.
Or small bowl. It's going to get really messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we're going to pour shampoo in there. Do you want to pour a little bit in?
Yeah.
Pour a little bit in. Right. Yeah, go ahead. Keep pouring. A bit more.
Cool.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Right. What we're going to do with that one?
Okay.
So that's going to be our clear slime, yeah? So you can see right now it's just a shampoo right now.
Yeah.
But we're going to add some bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to add it for you, Rehan, because there's quite a bit in there. So I'm going to add that in. Okay, I think
That's
should
enough.
be enough. And then what are you going to do?
We need that.
No, we're not going to do the colours yet. We're going to put the colours in these individual bowls. Okay? Right now, I want you to mix it all up.
Yeah.
With the spoon. Go ahead, mix it. Mix it. And what should happen is the bicarbonate soda will start
Wow,
drying
turning
it up.
white, Bubba.
Yeah, it's going to start turning into slime.
Do you like that?
1 second, 1 second. Hold the bowl for Bubba. Hold the bowl. That's it. Let me mix it up for you. Can you see it's starting to turn into a gooey substance?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to get really gooey because it's starting to turn into slime. So we have to carry on mixing. If you hold the bowl, Rehan, for me. That's it, keep mixing. Can you see how slimy that is?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so gooey. Right.
Wow.
That is a lot of slime, isn't it?
Yeah, it's turning white.
It's turning white. Wow. Right, should we do our coloured slime?
Yeah.
Right. We're gonna open the highlighters.
Highlighter.
Yeah, and we're gonna take the colour inks out so we can pour the inks into the pots after we put the shampoos in. So we get different colours. How does that sound?
Cool.
Let's do it, mate. So what we've done, what have we done, Rehan? We've taken out all the ink cartridges from the highlighters and we've put them all into the containers, right?
Yeah.
So what colours have we got here?
Orange,
Yeah.
yellow, and pink, blue,
Yeah.
purple, and green.
Right, wicked. So what are we doing now? What are we gonna do? We are gonna put the shampoo in the colours, right?
Yeah.
So should we grab the shampoo?
Yeah.
Let me open it for you again.
Yeah.
Oh, again, guys, look. Make sure you wear gloves when you're doing this because it can get really messy. As you can see, my fingers are all coloured. And yeah, got a lot of colours everywhere. So, Rehan, are you going to start pouring the shampoos in?
Yeah.
Or shampoo in? If you pour it into the pots, Baba, because you've already done that one. So pour a tiny bit. That's it. Don't really need a lot. 1 second, careful.
Oh, no.
Bit more. Right, that's perfect. Right, now we'll go to the... Shall I finish it off for you, Rehan?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Baba, you do it.
Yeah, one second. One second, we have to be careful as we don't want to make too much of a mess.
Make too much. Oh, Baba,
So we have less to clean up because obviously we don't want too much.
You don't want too much.
Oh, we've made a mess.
Oh, made a mess.
Right.
So, Baba, we need blue and purple.
Yeah, that's it. Just blue and purple left.
So, what? Yay, Baba, you're gonna get too much.
Okay, that's too much.
And that purple and last one purple.
Because they're such small containers, we don't want to pour too much in. Right?
Baba.
Happy with that, Rehan?
Yeah.
Happy with the mixture?
Yeah.
Right, what do we need to do now? Should we grab the spoon and
To mix it.
just mix all of it up? Right, go ahead, mate. Yeah?
Oh, I made a mess.
You haven't made a mess, that's perfect. Right, that's a really good green, isn't it? That's a really good green. So should we go to the next one? So you've mixed that one up nicely.
Orange.
Should we mix the orange up?
Orange.
Go ahead. Got a bit of green in there. It's not a problem, but can you see that really bright colour? It looks really good, doesn't it?
Orange.
Yellow?
Look, orange.
Yeah. You've mixed the orange in there as well. That's great. Okay, next one.
Pink.
Yeah, come on, let's mix all of the colour up. Let's get all of the colour in good.
Look, it's turning into rainbow.
Is it rainbow?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The last
And then
one.
the last one, purple.
Okay, that's enough.
No, we need to mix it perfectly. Come on. Really good. Good mix. Come on. Perfect. Right. Now, what we're going to do?
I don't know.
Right, we have to add the powder in. Right, Rehan, so if you put the spoon back into the first mix that we made. So if you open the bicarbonate soda and...
So let me...
Yeah, don't be careful with how much you put in, Rehan, because we need to make sure we get an even amount into every single pot. Oh, into the pot, Rehan. Okay.
That's enough.
Yeah, so...
Let me get...
Okay, go on. But into the pot, Rehan, that's it. Bit more. Need a bit more. Okay. Blue one. Perfect. Okay. This one. Pink one.
Pick one.
Okay, perfect. Yellow.
Okay, that's enough.
Bit more. No, you have to get a bit more because you need to make sure it bonds with the shampoo. Bit more. Okay, not too much. It's too much. Okay, right, let's get a bit more into the purple. Right. And what do you think we need to do now?
Mix up.
Mix it again. Let's get the spoon. Start mixing.
Oh, that's a messy.
Oh, that's alright. Don't worry, we'll tidy it up. Right, come on. Let's mix it up.
Wow, it's turning green.
Let's mix it up.
No, it's turning into green.
Yeah, it's turning into green slime. Come on, we have to mix it properly. Mix it properly. No. We're not done with the green. We need to proper mix it. Come on. We need to make sure the bicarbonate soda mixes with the shampoo really well.
Look, it's turning green.
It's turning green. Wow.
And which one? Which one
good.
have a turn?
That looks really good.
Now the purple.
Purple? Yep, go ahead. That's it, mate. Come on. Make sure you mix all of that powder up.
Purple.
That's it.
It's done.
That's it. No, carry on mixing. We're gonna get all of that mixed up. That's it. Right, next one.
Blue one.
Blue, that's it.
Blue one.
Blue.
Blue one is turning to purple.
Yeah. Come on. Mix it. Come on. That's great.
Now.
Ready?
Now.
Done. Go to the pink one.
Go to the pink. No, blue.
Yeah, there's a bit of blue in there, but it's fine. It's not a problem. It's gonna look amazing when it turns into slime.
Blue and pink.
Make sure we mix all that powder up. Make sure you
yellow.
Make sure you get all the powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, mix it.
See, I did it.
More, come on, mix more. There's still more. Need to make sure all of it gets mixed in properly. That's it. That's it. Right, let's move into the next one.
Yellow.
Yellow. Go ahead.
No, pink.
Yeah, you got some pink in there.
Pink and yellow turning to orange.
That looks
Too
good.
much powder.
That's not too much powder. Come on, let's mix all the powder up.
Look.
Yeah.
Look. It's turning to orange.
Yeah. Come on. Right, next one. Next one.
Orange.
That's it. Wow, this one got a lot of powder inside, Rehan.
Yeah.
It's a lot. Come on. Come on. Let's mix it all up. Let's get rid of all that powder.
Yes.
Nearly there, nearly there.
I done.
Done. All right. Right, what do we need to do now?
Uh,
So we need to put them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. And once they've cooled down, they will turn into a solid slime. So should we tell the guys we'll catch them in a bit?
yeah.
So we see them later.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll catch you in about 2-3 hours. And hopefully by that time, the slime should be ready. See you in a bit.
One eternity later.
Right, Rehan.
Yeah.
It's been 2 hours, mate.
Yeah.
Well, just under 2 hours. But we can't wait anymore, can we?
Yeah.
We want to open these slime up and see how slimy they are, right?
It's gonna get sticky.
It's gonna get so sticky. Ooh. Right, are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
You
Right, you're going for the orange one first. Oh, let's see. Put it this way.
This
Go
one.
on. You wanna touch it? Let's see. Oh,
So.
oh,
Hey.
oh my God! Look at that.
Look at that.
What kind of slime is that? That is so messy. Alright, should we open the next one? How does that feel? Does that feel like slime?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, next one.
Alright, let's go for the next one.
So, the green one.
Let's do the green one.
Yeah.
Alright, go and touch it. Let's see. How smell it. How does that feel? Does that feel slimy?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you going to mix them? Oh, wow. What colours are we getting there?
Green and orange is turning to purple.
Yeah. Alright, let's open the purple one up.
Yeah.
Go on. Oh. I think we should have let it set a bit more, isn't it? Oh, Rehan, don't mix it with your hands like that. I think we should have let it set a bit more, isn't it?
Yeah. I think we need to wash our hands.
Yeah, we can wash our hands after, but I think we should have let it set a bit more. Right? Oh, careful, Rehan, don't get it everywhere.
I tried to get
What's that
things
one?
in my hand.
Is it freezing?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's been in the freezer, isn't it? So, look at that. Oh, that is so gooey. Oh.
No, it's like a good, like jujitsu. It's a gooey.
It's like jujitsu's. Oh, wow. That is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's really cool, though, isn't it? The slime is really awesome. Look. Oh, look at that. Rehan, what do you think? It's awesome, isn't it?
Cool, yeah.
Like mixing the colours. It's so messy. Wow.
Look, it's turning into rainbow.
Wow. You've completely changed it. Wow, look at all that mess. Right. Look how slimy that is. Oh,
I think you can
really good.
Can you sneeze up?
What's that?
Can you sneeze up?
Should I help you with your sleeves?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 2 seconds.
It's turning into rainbow.
Is it turned into a rainbow, Rehan?
Yeah.
Wow. But look, it's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we should have let it set a bit more, but either way, I'm still happy. You happy with that? Look at that. Look how slimy that is.
Look at that. You got in my...
Oh.
Baba, you just get in my hand. You just
Take
get
it.
in...
Look, let's do this. Look,
Look, Baba, you
Can you do
just
this?
get in my finger.
Can you do this? Rehan?
Yeah.
Look. Look how the slime is going down my fingers. Can you... Let's see how it goes down
You
your
just
finger.
missed my finger.
Wow.
You
Go on.
just...
I want you to do this. I want you to do this. Can you do that?
Yeah. So we just made a mess to the table.
We made a mess at the table. Mommy's gonna get angry, isn't she?
Yeah.
But it's alright, we'll tidy up. Right?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
I think this was a really cool experiment, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, sticky slime. I think the blue one is the best one though.
I think no. I think the orange is the best one.
Yes, awesome. You're just messing around with it, aren't you? Look, this is how you play with slime. Oh, that is so horrible.
Oh. That's, yeah.
Wow.
Look, Look.
That's got some multicolours, isn't it?
Yeah.
That looks awesome. Are you just mixing all of them? Wow. That is awesome. Wow.
That's awesome.
That is awesome.
So let me just put on my hand, see what it.
Yeah, what does it look like? Let's see. Let's see.
Wow, it's turning green.
Is it turning green?
Yeah.
Wow. Right, Rehan, are we gonna carry on playing?
Yeah.
Let's carry on playing and let's say bye to the guys.
Yeah.
Should we say bye to the guys?
Bye, guys.
We hope you enjoyed it, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video.
Stay tuned.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.